Hello beautiful people, I'm back with another video. Now in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to do a very simple low bun. Now this hairstyle is very suitable for maybe if you're a guest at a wedding, or you're going to the office, or maybe you're going for a job interview. It's very chic and modern at the same time. Now stay tuned for the tutorial. You will need a rat tail comb, a hairbrush, hair elastics, bobby pins, and of course a curling iron. The first thing you're going to be doing is taking your rat tail comb and parting your hair down the middle. This is actually a preference. You can do your side, your hair up, it's really up to you. And then you're going to take your brush the hair all the way through, make sure there are no tangles. Now I'm doing this on undried hair. I'm going to leave the bangs out for later. So I forgot to mention that you need hairspray. Make sure you shake, spray away all the flyaways, and take your comb and smooth the surface of your hair out. All the way through on all these sides. Make sure you get those baby hairs. Using your other hand, you're going to hold the hair tight in a low angle. Spray the other side. Take your comb, smooth it out. Now we've created a little low ponytail. I'm going to take my hair elastics and wrap it around that hair 3 times. And you want to hold the hair tight while you're doing this. You don't want to make it loose at all. A very tight, low ponytail. Now that we've done the ponytail, I'm going to take my hairspray again and make sure that there are absolutely no flyaways. We really don't want any flyaways in this hairstyle, because in a job interview or at the office, you really want to look very put together and chic. You don't want to go for the messy look. As for these bangs that I've left out, I'm going to take my curling wand and I'm sort of going to smooth out the surface first, sort of using it as a straightener. And then I'm going to twirl my hair around that wand and let it go. You don't want to keep this on for long. Make sure you keep it on for only, I would say, 2 to 3 seconds, because the hair around the face is very fragile. There you go, you curl it and let it go. For the back of the hair, you're going to split it down the middle and twirl it around itself. This is called the twisted braid. You go all the way down. Once you reach the bottom, you're going to hold the bottom very tight and pull on the hair to create the illusion of fuller looking hair. Then you're going to twirl it around itself to create a little bun. Tuck the ends in, take your bobby pin, and then just secure that bun in place. This is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you do enjoy my content, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll be putting out videos for you every weekend related to beauty, makeup, hair, all that good stuff. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.